Hey, I'm Chris.
I'm Lindsay.
And we're going to do the forward walks in Venus Waltz.
Let's get started.
Leader's footwork. So I'm taking 4 walking steps forward. My left foot first. Again, I'm going to lower first. I'm going to go walk, and have a little pause. I'm going to lower again and go walk. My right foot, pause, repeat it again for 3. Last one, walk. I bend at the end, and I'm controlled. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, we're going to do the follower's footwork for the forward walks. Of course, that means we're going backwards as a follower. We're going to start with that right foot. We're going to go back, left foot, back, right foot, back, left foot, back. We're going to go 1 hold, 2 hold, 3 hold, 4 hold.
Forward walk with counts. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
So we're going to do the key points for the forward walks.
As I go forward, what's important is that I pause on every step that I take and try to find balance. So I take my first step and I hold for a second, take my second step and I hold. I'm walking just outside of her with my left foot. Now my right foot goes forward, going in between her feet.
So, as crazy as it sounds, we're just walking, right? So a lot of times when people learn how to walk in a dance, suddenly we forget everything we know about walking. Think about it like a pedestrian walk. When you walk, you move with your weight going over your foot. You're not going to go and do some crazy thing like that, right? So as the leader, followers, we're just following along. I know backward walks aren't as comfortable in natural life, but make sure you move your weight with your foot and don't do something funky by moving your foot and then doing a walk over it. That's exaggerating. Trust me, we're dance teachers, we've seen it all. Yeah, so just think about it as you would a normal walk, whatever your comfortable distance is. You don't have to travel as much as we do. Just make it comfortable and it'll look nice.
Thanks for watching the forward walks. I'm Chris.
I'm Lindsay. And be sure to check out all of our wedding series. We have a ton of videos up for you, and we're going to have much more to come very soon. We're going to have salsa, club stuff, we're going to do some social dancing, even competitive. So stay tuned, and we'll see you very soon.